Right on. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I predicted the market top, and with laser pinpoint accuracy, the levels that I told you we would go to and the levels I told you we would pull back to, and this is all from my Stocks Channel Discord members only videos. So this right here is the members only video chart you are looking at. I'm going to show you the exact recording from June 30th when I drew these arrows and gave the commentary on why this was likely going to happen in the month of July. So what we are looking at now is the actual price action that we had into July and early August, and the arrow said where SPY would go to the upside and then where SPY would pull back to, and as you can see, that was a direct hit to the day and to the price. So right now I'm going to show you that previously recorded video from June 30th. All right, so next we have the S&P 500, and we can see we have this other possibility of a double top here as well from 550. And if we get the double top, we need to break down below this neckline, which is down here at 542.63. And if we break below that, we get the full measured move lower. And that measured move lower would take us to fill the gap at 537 and go a bit lower towards the breakout just above 531. So if we break down below 542.6, we're definitely going to be looking for a gap at 537 and possibly even a deeper pullback towards 531. Now, if we do not break down below the neckline, then obviously that is going to look like a bear trap, and that means we could continue higher towards 553 to 560. And then from there, I am looking for a deeper pullback to finish out the month that is likely going to take us to retest this breakout at 531 or possibly even lower. So the preferred scenario is that we go a bit higher, we find resistance at one of the targets above, we come back down and start a pullback. But in the shorter term, if we do not start higher and we break below the neckline, then obviously that speculation is going to be incorrect, and we've likely already seen a top, and we're going to start a pullback immediately. So I do expect July to finish in the red. So obviously in the beginning of the month, I'm showing we're going higher, but by the end of the month, I do think we're going to finish lower. So keep this in mind, be prepared for both scenarios. The support breakdown is the break below 542.63, and the resistance breakout is the break above 550. And then, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is now a live chart and not a message from the past, and you can see how dead on accurate that arrow was from the members only video. Even despite the trolls claiming that I'm a permabull that had no idea this was coming, I cannot tell you a single person who could have got this close to the upside and then the downside, calling it in both directions and nailing both price targets, as well as the exact same day we would hit the high and the exact same day we would hit the low. So if you are looking to see into my crystal ball and you want these members only updates, these are only for my Stocks Channel Discord members, and you can find out how to join my Discord server in the link in the description of this video. And I'm telling you right now, if somebody could have correctly predicted that sort of price action to the day and to the price for the month of July, you are not going to want to miss what I am about to predict for the month of August. That August video is going to come out either today or tomorrow, so now is the best time to join the Discord server and get access to that members only video, because in the month of August, I am very confident I am going to have laser precision and accuracy on where price is going yet again, because you can look at this arrow from somebody who was able to draw that arrow on June 30th and correctly predict that, probably has a pretty damn good idea of what the market is doing and where the market is going, and probably has a damn good understanding of the market as a whole to be able to make a prediction that accurate a month in advance before the price action even occurred. Now I'm going to show you one more before I leave you, and that is the same exact prediction that I made for the triple Qs. And you can see on the triple Qs, I said that we would run up here between 493 and 500. To the day we hit that price, we actually hit it a few days earlier, so that worked very well. And then I said we would come down here towards 455 to end the month. And as you can see, we hit that price to the exact day on July 25th. So right now I'll show you that pre-recorded video as well, which was also done on June 30th, and run it right now. So the holiday week of July 4th is typically bullish because there's not going to be a lot of high volume, and because we have the bull trend, if we just continue with low volume trading, there is a good chance we just continue to drift higher, which means if we do not break down below this neckline, we could start to drift higher towards 493 and all the way up to about 500. And as we're going higher, the bull breakout confirmation will be that break above 486. So it's a very simple month. I am expecting prices to close lower in July, so once we hit a brand new all-time high, if we are going higher, I still think we're going to start a pullback, and that is likely going to be by the end of the month. So the speculation would be that we go a bit higher, hit a brand new all-time high, and then start a deeper pullback. But it is possible we just start to pull back immediately within the month and start down lower. And if we do start breaking down below supports, we'll just have to continue to look for a falling knife scenario and go for each leg lower as we break through each support zone. And eventually in a bull market, we will find support at some higher low within this bull trend and then continue even higher. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I crystal balled SPY and the triple Qs. And if you're a Stock Channel Discord member, you know all of these members videos all year long have been very laser accurate. You can even go back to the members only video from the month of May, and I called it the Raging Bull, which was off of that April low when everybody was freaking out and saying that the market topped. I did a video before May even started called the Raging Bull and correctly predicted that extremely powerful month of May, which obviously continued through the month of June and July. So don't think for 1 second I didn't see this coming, and that is why you really are going to want to see my members only video for August, because anybody that can correctly predict this a month in advance with that precision for price and time is definitely somebody you should not be ignoring, is definitely somebody you should be interested in seeing what they want to say for the month of August. And I'm telling you right now, the month of August is going to bamboozle a lot of traders if you are not correctly prepared. So if you want access to these members only videos, as well as everything I offer, including my trade ideas, technical analysis, and my intraday updates, all of that is in my Stock Channel Discord server, where you get access to everything I offer, including these members only videos that you're going to get each and every month with very detailed price action and how to trade the month based on managing risk around critical levels and making a trade plan around trading the indices. So if you want to join my Discord server, you can find out how to do that in the link in the description of this video, and then you can come crush this market with us. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.